In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Teams with your Monday.com board using Chrome. This integration allows you to automate communication between the two platforms, making collaboration easier and more efficient. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Monday.com account using Chrome. Once logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to work with. This will be the board where you'll set up the integration, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Now that you have your board open, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see a button labeled Integrate, which is your gateway to connecting Monday.com with various apps and services. Give that button a click and it will open up a world of integration possibilities for your board. Once you're in the integration section, you'll find a search bar. Here, simply type Microsoft Teams into the search field. This will filter the available options, helping you locate the Microsoft Teams integration quickly and efficiently. When you see Microsoft Teams in the results, look to the side for an Add to Board button. Go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt a series of steps to connect your Microsoft Teams account. Follow these prompts carefully as they will guide you through the process of authorizing the connection between the two platforms. By granting the required permissions, you're paving the way for a smooth and effective integration. Now, we reach an exciting part of this process. Setting up your integration recipe. Think of this as creating a rule that defines how Monday.com and Teams will interact. For example, you might choose something like, when a task is created in Monday.com, send a message in Teams. This bridges the gap between your task management and communication efforts, ensuring everyone stays in the loop with minimal manual effort. Once you've tailored your integration recipe to meet your specific needs, the final step is to activate it. You'll do this by clicking Add to Board once more. With just that click, your integration is live. The systems will now work together to help streamline your processes. Before we wrap up, here's an extra tip. Don't hesitate to set up multiple integration recipes. This customization allows you to automate various updates between Monday.com and Teams, optimizing productivity and keeping your team aligned effortlessly. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully integrated Microsoft Teams with Monday.com, creating a more cohesive and efficient workflow. Embrace these automated processes to enhance your team's collaboration and productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!